Hi, how are you? Today I am back down at Bramley-moore dock to give you the latest update on what's going on with the new Everton Stadium build. It is really early in the morning. There's our man there, loving life. Harry Maguire's son. I hope he's not. Harry Maguire's son. Harry Maguire's son, and he's saying, I don't know. Right, so first thing wanted to do is, look, you can see right through there. We'll zoom in when I edit the video later. You can see right through. Okay, so we've just been up in the air, and we got some really good footage. We've updated the drone, so much better. Okay, so we've started putting these in the supports now. One of our subscribers, well, I think he's a subscriber. He always watches the video, so I'm guessing he is Jay. Some numbers and then EFC said they wouldn't be lifting the roof truss up yesterday, and he was completely correct. But they have started putting the supports in. We have got some really good footage right round the back of the west roof truss, which has gone up. So we'll show you that. It looks like they're doing some sort of work here on that roof, and this crane is fully extended, but they won't let me have a little peek to see what it is. So you'll be able to see that in the drone video as well. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment, like, share, anything like that would be very much appreciated. So we're going to get into this video. Take care. We will be down here quite often this week while we are putting these up, show you what's happening. So look out for the future videos and take care. We'll see you soon. Them pieces of roof truss are still on the front, but as you'll notice in this video, they have started putting the support up for the east sides of the stadium to get that roof up and running and on board. You might notice some better quality in the actual pictures on these videos. This is the first time we've shot in 4K from the drone in the air. So I'm sure you already know, we're just having a chance to get down. The west side of the standard roof is up, so I will label that there. It has been fitted, and you can start to get a feel for the shape of the stadium, how it's going to be shaped from these videos. Like I said, we've had to update and upgrade the drone, which was donated to us by a subscriber. It doesn't want to be mentioned, so we're not going to do that. Right round the back we can get now with this new drone, which is fantastic. This is the furthest we've been around the site and any of our videos ever. There's brickwork on all four corners of the stands. I mean, I've never really seen the back of the Merseyside, the River Merseyside of a stadium, so it's all new to me. That might have been there for ages, but yeah, there's brickwork on there. The roof is up on that side now as well, so it's all looking good. I'm going to be down at bramley-moore, probably, hopefully, every day this week, just to give you an update, because they are starting to put that roof up, so we are going to do our best to catch that for you. That is the end of today's update though. Just a quick one for today, and then we'll get into it properly in the next video. So take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon.